Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use vehicle motion cues on your iPhone. So let's open settings and you want to scroll to section accessibility. Now under vision section, you will find motion, and please let's go to vehicle motion cues and let's enable it. So you can completely turn this on. And it will be displayed all the time, but I prefer more to select automatically in vehicle, and your phone automatically detects when you are in your vehicle, and this feature turns on. So as you have seen, little dots appear on my screen, and they basically help with motion sickness, and those dots basically mimic vehicle movement, and they align visual input with inner ear sensations. So that is very interesting how it works, and if you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend you to do that, because personally even I use it in my vehicle, and that really helps me with my motion sickness. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.